Welcome back, children. Yes, today we'll continue this lesson, that is solids. Okay, this is a session 2. In first session you already learnt cuboid, cube and also cylinder. Yes, so these three you already learnt in first session. Which are those? That is cuboid, cube and cylinder. So now we'll start, that is cone. Yes, so these three already you studied. Now we will start a cone. So cone, you know that is how it is the cone. See, like this is a cone. We can call this is cone. What we can call this is? This is cone. Yes. So here see. Cone. Like this we can call as a cone. Yes. So in this cone, so we can call this is vertex. What we can call? This is vertex. So this is we can call as a flat surface. So this is a flat surface and this is we can call as a curved edge. Curved edge. So this is we can call as a curved surface. Yes. So this is a what? Cone. So this is a vertex, curved edge, then flat surface. So this is we can call as a curved surface. Okay, we can see in this here figure, this is curved surface. So this is vertex. So this is a curved edge. This is a plane surface. It means here flat surface. Okay, understood? Okay. Here see students. So what we can be given the example for curved cone. So what are the examples we given for cone? So we can given here ice cream. Yes, so this is also one of the example. Then joker cap, then carrot, then heap of sand. So these all are the example for cone. Okay, yes, so we can study here about the cone, so and also example. Yes, so next we are going to see how many edges are there. How many edges are there in the cone, how many vertices are there, and how many what faces are there. Okay, yes, we can see here. So faces will write here, then edges, then vertex. Okay, yes. So here in the cone, so in this cone we can see here how many edges. First we will see here edges of the cone. Okay, sorry, faces of the cone. So this is one face and this is another face. Totally how many faces are there? One face, next face. Okay, so we can call that is, yes. So in the cone, how many faces are in the cone? That is 1 and 2. There are 2 faces of the cone. Yes. So in the cone, how many edges are there? In the cone, how many edges are there? So only 1 edge. How many are there? Only 1 edge. And so in vertex, how many vertex are there? So already we wrote here that is only 1 vertex. This is only 1. So here see 1 vertex, 1 curved edge and also 2. It means curved surface. So here 1 curved surface and here 1 flat surface. So it means there are 2 surfaces. It means faces. Okay. Yes. So this is about what? So this is about cones. Okay. So next one we are going to study, that is what? Next one, that is sphere. Okay. Yes. That is a last one, sphere. This is the fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth one. That is sphere. Okay, so how it is sphere? Sphere. So this is we can call as a sphere. Circle. Yes. So that's we can call as a sphere. So in this sphere, so what are the example we can be given for the sphere? So we can given here ball. Then next we can give an example for sphere, globe. Next marble. Then cricket ball. So and also we can given a football, volleyball. Yes. So we can given these all are the example for sphere. Okay. So in this sphere, so what we can be understanding here? So how many faces are there? How many edges are there? And how many vertices are there? See carefully this one. See here how many faces are there in a what? This sphere. Okay, this is a sphere. How many faces are there? Only one space. So because only this is a curved surface. So how it is surface? So this is a curved surface. So faces are one face. Okay. So here see students, any edges are, we can see any edges in this sphere. Yes, any edges are there? Is there any edges? No. So, and any vertices are there? Any vertices we can see in this sphere? No. So, it means even no vertices and also no edges in the sphere. Only we can see a faces. Only one face is there in a sphere. Understood this is? Okay. So, that we can call as a what? Sphere. Okay, these all are the solids. Okay, so these all the solids having three-dimensional shape. Understood? The plane, so that is a plane surface. It means plane figures having a two-dimensional shapes. So these solid figures having a three-dimensional face. So how many are there solid faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there are 5 solid figures. Okay, yes. So next one we can see here the difference between the plane and the what solid figures. What are the examples? What are the differences we can see in the plane figures and the solid figures? Yes. So we can see here this is a triangle. So this is one, and this is we can call as rectangle. Okay, and this is we can call as a square. So these all we can be called as a plane figures. Yes. So here see we can see this is a cone. So already we studied this one. This we can call as a solid figures, and this is cuboid. So this we can call as a cuboid, and this we can call as a cube. So these all are the what? Shape, solid shapes. Okay, so this is a sphere. Okay, so this we can call as a what? And also cylinder. So this is also comes in the three-dimensional shapes. Okay, yes, these all are the what? Solid figures, and these all are the plane figures. Understood? Okay, and here see first we can see the properties of a plane figures and a solid figures. Yes, what are the properties we can be written as the plane figures and solid figures? Yes, so in the plane figures, so all are two-dimensional shapes, 2D shapes we can call as, that is 2D shapes, or we can call as a 2D figures. So these all are we can call as a, what we can call, these three all are we can find we can call as a 3D figures. Yes, so these all are 3D figures. And next one we can see the 2D figures have length and breadth. Yes, so and here's in the 3D length, breadth and height. So these solid figures have the length, breadth and height. So these plane figures have the length and breadth because these are two-dimensional figures. Okay. Yes. So we can see the properties of the plane figures and solid figures. Okay. So next one we can see the differences of plane figures and solid figures. What are the differences we can see in the plane figures and solid figures? Yes, plane figures and solid figures. Yes, so in plane figures, two-dimensional shapes, two-dimensional figures are as we can call shapes. So these are having length and breadth. Yes, and here see in a solid figures, that is these all are three-dimensional figures. Yes, so these all are having length, breadth and height. Okay. Yes. So here we can see here next one. So these plane figures does not occupy the space. So these does not occupy the space. But so these solid figures occupy the space. Okay, and here see, so these are means it's a area and it comes here area and volume. Area and volume. So these three are the difference of plane figures and solid figures. Okay, so in plane figures, two-dimensional figures, length and breadth. In solid figures, three-dimensional figures, length, breadth and height. So in the plane figures does not occupying the space, and in the solid figures those all are occupying the space. So here, so area it comes here. So here area and volume also comes in the so solid figures. Okay, so this is all we can call as the difference between plane figures and the solid figures. Okay. Okay, see here. So next one they can given here. See, one of the activity they can given here. See they can given here. The plane figure has a two-dimensional shapes, namely length and breadth, and the in the solid figures have three-dimensional space, length, breadth and height. Okay, see here one of the activity they can given here. Hold a coin gently like this. Yes, on the table, hold like it is. So rotate the coin from your fingers, as in figure 2 like this. You can be rotate. So it's in the third figure it can be rotating. Yes, so observe the rotation of the coin, as in it is observe the geometrical shape of generated by the rotation of coin. So which shape we can be see here in the third figure. So that is a sphere. So when we can be rotation continuously, it can be rotating like it can be see a sphere shape. Okay, yes. Next one they can given here, see, or as we can see the first one, the place bangles of equal diameters one above the other, name the shape of obtained. See here bangles one above the other bangles they can be arranging in here. So see here which shape we can be see in this figure. So that is cylinder. Yes, Okay, this is a cylinder space. Okay, so cylinder figure. And second one, see, name the shape obtained by the means arrangement of bangles one above the other in the descending order as shown in the figure. So how it is looking? So it's looking as a sphere. Yes, so it's looking as a cone. Yes, see, so these bangles are arranging one above the other. So it means in descending order we can see the cone shape. Yes, they can given here. Okay, see here, see, so already we learned about here, so up to here. So here this is a what? So this is a cylinder and this is a look like how it is. This is a cone. Okay, and here see they can be given here developing a 4-phased, 5-phased, 6-phased solid figures using a specially formed net. Okay, so you can see in that in next class. So before we are going to next, so see here you have learned already a draw of figure shapes like, so they can be given here dots. So we will complete the joining of these dots. Okay, and here see like this. So it can be complete joining of these dots. So that we can call as what? So what we can call these all? So already you studied in our first lesson, third standard first lesson, that is shapes. Okay, so this is a triangle, this is a square and this is a rectangle faces. Okay, so this is about already you learnt in the third standard. Okay, in the next class, yes, so up to here we see a means triangular, then square and rectangular. So tomorrow we will continue the rest of the lesson. Thank you for watching.